Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here. I'm over in Wandsworth in London and wanted to show you a fantastic project we completed just before lockdown. So all of the family have been thanking me today for getting this ready, set up and using this building during the lockdown period. And just wanted to show you around. So 8.5 meters wide, combination room and store. With the sun behind it, I'm going to do what I can to show you everything here. By folding doors on the front, the MTX V200 cladding in anthracite, and just a plainer fascia. So you see this fascia up here is actually in a V2.4. The storage element here, we've done the door offset to the left. It's a large store, 2.8 meters wide and 3.6 deep. As you can see in here, we've done a nice L-shaped bench, lots of space here for storage, and because there was an old shed here originally, we've actually gained even more space than that that original shed. And then panning across to this lovely bifold garden room, being mainly used as a cinema room, kind of, you know, big TV, sofas facing away from the outside, quite unique in doing that, but these can be moved and then you can turn them around and kind of integrate it with the garden. But mainly it's being used for films, big film buffs, so you can see they've really enjoyed furnishing it in here. And then also it's a study room for the children and a bit of a workspace for the clients and the adults. So there's two workstations there, which is very nice. Fan light window up the top there just to get a little bit of light in. And a lot of air in there, and we've got a blackout blind on that as well. No downlighters in this one, quite rare. It actually gives a really nice clean line, and all of the lamps you see here are on their own switch. So we've run them all into a socket and the switch on the wall. So if I switch them on and off, you can see all of them work off of the same system. So that's a system the client uses in their house, and we've then replicated it in here for them as well. Plain V1200 wall in a nice grey. It does look really nice. I think that was called Savile Row. And then the white V1200 ceiling. Yeah, and the bifolding doors, of course, great integration with the garden. If I pan back and show you from the house, what I find really impressive is that even though that's 8.5 meters wide, when you actually stand up here, I'm now kind of on the platform of the house, it doesn't even look that big. Backdrop of the whole garden is just absolutely lovely. And as I said at the beginning, this is in Wandsworth in London, and quite typical to a London property. It's full width, and we had to bring everything through the house. So the base, the building, everything you're seeing has come through the house. So if that's a concern of yours, don't let it be. I'm sure we can achieve whatever you need. It's very common in this situation. If this kind of combination room, any kind of garden buildings of interest, you want to extend your living space into your garden, then give us a shout, follow us on socials, and let us know what your dream is. Give us a call also, 01444 247 192. Thank you.